Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to share games on Steam. So the first step is to simply open Steam on your computer. So make sure that you use the application, not the web version of Steam. And then you're gonna have to simply go to preferences. So you're gonna have to simply go to Steam settings. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply go to family. And as you can see here, you have this option here, which is authorize library sharing on this device. So select up to 5 users who may access and use your library on authorized devices. So basically what you're gonna have to do first is simply enable Steam Guard. This is very important. And after that, what you're gonna have to do is simply enable this option here. Now let's say someone wants to some of your friends log in using their Steam account on your device. If you enable this, you're gonna see their account here. So if they've logged in previously, and then basically you can share your games with their account. So you're gonna have to simply select their account here, and basically that's how you can share games. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.